Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Andrew here with Fitment Industries Television. So I am super excited today. I just got in my new Radi8 wheels. These are actually going on my vehicle. I got a 2017 Golf All-Track. So we're going to do an unboxing video for you guys. I'm going to show you what I got. And if you guys remember from a couple months ago, if you guys have been watching the channel for a little bit of time now, we did take a look at the R8S5 about 7 months back, and it was a 19-inch. So I'm actually going to do a 20-inch on my vehicle. So we'll unbox this thing, take a look at it, and then get you guys the specs. Let's check it out. So of course you got the nice plastic strip around it, the wheel cover. And of course, if you guys order just wheels, this is how they would come nicely packed to your house. And of course, if you order a wheel and tire combo, they're gonna be mounted and balanced, all that fun stuff. So this is gonna be the black with the machine faced finish. Absolutely beautiful looking wheel. Radi8's got a lot of really cool edgy looking stuff. I'm really excited to toss these on my car. I've been in love with this wheel since these things dropped a couple years ago. So if you guys aren't familiar with Radi8, they're based out of City of Industry, California, and their whole market is basically for the Euro cars. So BMW, Mini, Volkswagen, Audi, that kind of stuff is basically what they're targeting. Really cool looking wheel. Now, I'm actually gonna end up powder coating these so they won't stay the machine face, but we'll get you guys the scoop, get you some close-ups here. So neat thing about this wheel is, now the black, from what it looks like online, it looks like it's just like a flat black, but we'll get you some close-ups here. And if you look inside these windows, it's actually like a black metallic flake. So there's like almost a little bit of silver and kind of gold looking flake inside these windows here. So what I really like about this wheel is you almost get two different patterns out of this one. You get, if you kind of focus your attention towards the actual face, it'll almost kind of look like a ninja star, and hence the name, the Sarcastic Ninja, is what this wheel is also called, aside from the R8S5. But you also get a pattern where it almost kind of looks almost like a flower with these big 5 spokes. So depending on how you look at it, there's almost kind of two different styles that come out of this wheel. So this one just has the chrome matching machine center cap. Of course, snaps right in the middle there. And then this is gonna be a 20 by 8.5. So this is an 8.5 wide. And of course, with my car, I'm gonna end up putting it on air pretty soon here. So on my car, this is just gonna end up setting, it's gonna be a little more tucked in fitment, so I'll be able to air out and come right down over the wheel. A really cool looking wheel. Now this is a monoblock design. Let's see the back here. Definitely wild looking pattern. Now, aside from this finish, there's gonna be a couple others you can get this one in. You can also get this in a gold brush, silver, which is a flat silver. That's the one we looked at a couple months back. There's also a dark mist. And then actually on the, I believe it's a Japanese market, there's also a black R8S5 that you can get. So a few different finishes available. Now I'm running the 5x112 for my Volkswagen. You can get this in 5x100, 5x112, 5x114.3, and 5x120. So definitely a couple different options in the bolt patterns for you guys to check this one out in. Cool thing about Radi8 is price point is killer on these two. I would basically label any of their wheels a moderate price point. Sizes, once again, I'm looking at a 20 by 8.5, but you can get 18, 19, and 20 inch. And then this wheel comes in 8.5, 9.5, and then 10 wide. So a couple different options, and then a few different offsets in between there too. This is a 45 offset on this 8.5 wide. So if you take a look at a side profile, pretty flat wheel, not a ton of concave on this one, and once again, not the look I was going for. I just like the big chunky monoblock look of this wheel, really European looking. So if you guys have any questions, drop them in the comment box below. That's a quick unboxing on the Radi8 R8S5. Shout out to Radi8 Wheels for the wheels here. I'm excited to get these on my car. Stay tuned. They're not gonna be this finished. Couple months, they will be a different color. So if you guys have any questions, let us know. If you wanna see what this wheel looks like on vehicles, also check out our gallery. There's R8S5 in our online fitment gallery. Catch you guys next week. Peace.